Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have an update on this beautiful hair right here from HerGiven. If you want to know if this wig is holding up, stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is going to be a really short video. Again, this is from HerGivenhair. This is the Proud of Your Coily hair. I wanted to do an update to show you how it's holding up because it is a little bit pricier, and I wanted you guys to know if it's really worth it. So the hair, pretty much I just shampoo, condition, and I put on my little wig rack. I put some gel on it and set it. And guys, this hair holds up. I wanted to show you guys how this wig looks with the bangs because the first time I reviewed it, I kind of wore it to the side. So this is how pretty much I wear it. It's easy, no lace, just put it on your head like a hat. All right, girl, get your Rick James on. All right, all right. I put it on my head. And girl, when people see me with this hair, they think it's my hair. Look at this hair. Yeah, so I wear this hair and pretty much people think this is my real hair. My husband even believes this is my natural hair. Every time I put this wig on, he's like, why don't you wear your natural hair more often? Nah, it's a wig, it's a wig. Do you see these curls, guys? These curls are definitely holding up. I've shampooed this unit at least 3 times already. And guys, it's still holding up. There is some light shedding with this wig when I do shampoo it out and comb it out, but it's nothing major. I do have a more detailed video on this unit on how I shampoo it, how I brush it out, showing all of that. But this was just for the show and tell of showing you guys that this wig is definitely holding up. It looks natural. Everybody thinks it's my hair. I'm still in love, and that's it. So let me know what you guys think about this hair and this update. And until next time, beauties, I'll talk to you later. Bye.